Did you know that we can make a spin wheel inside of Figma, which is gonna stop on the random number each time you spin it? Check out this video if you want to know how. In the first step, we need to make a counter, which is going to count between 0 to 6. I made this component before, so I just reused the instance of this component. If you want to know how to make this counter in order to create the random number, you can watch the video that I made and I explain everything in detail. You can find the link to this video in the description of this video. If you make the counter and the random number generator, you should have these variables in your design file. In the next step, we design our wheel. We convert this design to the component set and we make 6 variants. And in each variant, we're gonna rotate the wheel one number. It's very important to name our variants in this way. Variant number 1, 0, variant number 2, 1, variant number 3, 2, and the rest you can predict. Now we just need to prepare a prototype. So I make 3 pages and design each page and add the elements into them. Just get sure that you reuse the same component in different pages in order to animate them via the smart animation in the Figma. And we add one instance of the random number generator component in the middle page. Now our design is ready. We need to work on the interactions. In the first page, our interaction is going to be for the go button. When user click on this button, we need to navigate user to the second page. For the second page, we have 2 interactions. One is the counter, which is basically counting a number based on the time. If you want to know how to make this logic, you need to watch the complete tutorial that I published a while ago. And the next interaction in this page is for the whole page. After a delay, this interaction is going to happen, which is basically assigning the number of the counter to the random number and then navigate user to the next page. In the last page, we only have one interactive element, which is the button, which is going to reset the value for the random number variable and then navigate user to the first page. Then we need to connect the value that is defining the variant of the instances of the wheel in the middle page to the counter variable and the one in the result page to the random number variable. Our interaction is ready and our prototype is going to run, as you can see on the screen. As I said, I published another video in which I explain everything in detail. I used the same mechanism to make this rolling dice prototype. And that was it. Hope it helps.